morning children. Now this is 7th class social studies children. 9th lesson, production in a factory, a paper mill. Children, in the previous lesson also we discussed many points in this lesson children. So what is the stages of the paper in the paper mill? How the workers are doing? Okay. So what is the suitable tree for making paper mill? I said three kinds of trees. What are the trees? Subabul. Now it is very famous. It is encouraged by government. So that's why farmers are growing the subabul trees in their farmlands. Next one is eucalyptus. Next one is bamboo. Okay. So bamboo, eucalyptus and subabul. These three trees are useful for making paper at present children. But at present subabul is abundantly using as making of paper. It is encouraged by government. That is why farmers are growing in their fields subabul. Next children, working hours and shifts in the factory. Actually factory means many workers are working. Managers are there, technicians are there, okay, unskilled labor are there, okay. Next to these all workers, men are working, women also working. So these all workers are working. So what is the conditions and what is the nature of the work here? Here the industry or factory is running 24 hours. It will not stop children. 24 hours it will work. From day to night also working. Okay. From day 6 to next to 6. That means 24 hours. But how the workers are working? Here 3 shifts are there children. 3 shifts. So workers are coming in their shift wise. Okay. For example, every worker has to do 8 hours a day. How many hours? 8 hours a day. Okay. So if the worker shift is complete, he will go to home. Okay. Next day he will come for do the 8 hours work. So that is called shift day work. Shift work. Okay. Next one here 3 shifts are there children. A, B, C. What are that? A, B, C. What is the A shift timings here? A shift timings are from morning 6 a.m. to 2 p.m. children. 6 a.m. to 2 p.m. That means afternoon after. Okay. So this is the shift A workers duty timings. So after these 8 hours, shift B workers will come children. So their timings are from 2 p.m. to 10 p.m. children. So that is the working hours of shift B workers. Next, when they will ready to leave, C shift workers will come children. Their timings are 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. morning 6 a.m. That means they have to work throughout night. Okay children. So they are the shift duties of all workers. But every worker will do just 8 hours only in the factory. But that work is shift wisely work. One group will come, they will work 8 hours. Next group will come, they will also work 8 hours. Next group come, they will also work 8 hours. So the timings also monthly once changing. Some workers will do the work 8 hours morning time. Next workers afternoon time. Next workers night time. Okay children. So this is shifting from one group to another group. Timings also changing. Next children, how many workers are working here? 800 to 900 workers are working here. Next one, administration staff also there. They are also working, but their timings are different children. Okay. These workers timings are shift wise duty, but their administrative staff duty is general duty. It is called general duty. General duty means every day they will come, every day. Okay. From 9:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. children. Every day they will come. Okay. From Monday to Saturday. Maybe Sunday is holiday to them. Okay. So after their hours, 8 hours, who are doing a shift duty, they have also holidays, weekly ones, like administrative staff. Next one, who are the workers, administrative staff here? Management, accountants, sales, traders. So these are the workers. They are working as general duty workers. They are called general duty workers. Next one, selling the paper. These paper, after making the paper, they are selling to our Indian, and also they are exporting the paper to other countries also. So what countries purchasing our Indian paper, children? Here Sri Lanka, we are exporting to Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Nepal, Singapore, Nigeria, South Africa. Okay, children. So we are exporting, or we are selling these paper to different countries, and we are earning foreign amount also. Okay. Next one, transportation. Here we developed transportation, roadways, railways, even waterways also there. So that's why it is easy to bring the cutting of the tree by lorries. After finishing the paper, it is easy to send from one place to another place through transportation, even not only within our country but also we are exporting other countries through waterways. Okay, children. So next one, workers' duties. I said what are the timings of the workers? Some are shift-wise duties, some are general duties. Okay, children. Their duty working hours are 8 hours. Next one, here what kinds of workers are, what category workers are working in that factory? Some are unskilled labor. Okay, some are skilled labor. For example, ITI, who completed ITI, they are also working in separate different sections. Engineers also working. Next one, illiterates also working. Okay, men and women. So these are the category of people working in the factory. Next, children, permanent workers are there, casual workers also there. They are called casual labor. But a vast difference is there between permanent workers and casual workers, children. Okay, they have one uniform. What is that uniform, children? Blue shirt plus khadi pant. So this is the uniform which is given by the management of the factory. Sometimes the management give money to purchase outside. Okay, sometimes they will provide the uniform, otherwise they will give the money. The workers will purchase outside of the factory. Next, children, here two persons are there, children, Anand, Amar. Okay, here Anand is a permanent worker, Amar is a casual labor. Anand condition is different than Amar condition because Anand has been working 10 years in the same factory. Okay, he is getting every month 15,000 rupees, and he has provident fund facility also there. Next one, retirement facilities also there. Next, if anybody will sick in the family, and also the factory will provide medical facilities also, even insurance facilities also, children. Next one, if the worker will met with an accident or meet with an accident, the factory owners will give some compensation. Why? Because he is a permanent worker. Okay, children. Next to ESI facility also there. Next to with that ESI hospital, without money they will treat the patients. Next one, they will give travel facilities also, traveling facilities. That means they will provide traveling facilities also. Next to it has holidays. Okay. Next one, the factory will get profits. Out of profits, the management will issue some profits to the workers for the encouragement of the workers. So this is called bonus. So every year he will get bonus from the factory. So these are the all beneficiaries which is taken by Anand by which is taken to Anand by factory children. Okay, so that is the permanent worker condition in the factory. But some workers are not permanent workers; they are casual laborers. Okay, so the casual laborers also coming and doing the same work, but they have no fixed salaries. Okay, for example, I wrote here Umar. So he came, one contractor appointed as a casual laborer here. So the mill owners will give the money to the contractor. The contractor will give every month the salary or wages to the casual labor children. But they have no high salaries. Compare with Anand. Anand getting 15,000 per month, but here Amar getting only 8,000 per month children. He has no paid holidays. Okay, next one. If any accident will occur, the factory may not give compensation. They will not provide ESI facility. Okay, medical facilities. Next one, they may not give holidays and bonus, etc. Here, the workers. How many workers are working in the factory? 800 workers are permanent workers are there, children. These are the 800 permanent workers getting every month 15,000 above salary. Every month they are getting all benefits because they are permanent workers. But not permanent workers are so there. They are called casual laborers. So the casual laborers, the casual laborers, they do not get any high salaries and remaining all benefits. Okay, children. So now I want to show you one picture here. Now look at, children, here paper cutting machine. So the machines are cutting the paper. So after making the paper, they will roll the paper with the help of machines. That paper will bundle. After finishing that all works, they will export and supply this paper to our country people, and also they will export this paper to different countries and earning some amount. Okay, children. Now look at, children, you come back one page here, page number 88. Look, children, here fill in the blanks in the flow chart given below, children. Look, wood is brought into the mill. Next stage is wood is cut into small chips. What is the third stage, children? You write down here with the help of material or with the help of textual matter. Next, children, what is the next stage, fourth stage? Liquid pulp, wood pulp is cleaned and color added. Okay, children. Next stage is you fill the with the help of textbook matter or take material. Next stage already written here: pressing, rolling and finishing. What is the final stage, children? You write down with the help of textbook. Take one pencil and fill in these blanks, children. This one, this one, this one. Here in the textbook 1, 2, 3, 4 stages also given. You should write down the 3 stages. This and this. Okay, children? Okay, thank you.